This has only been a short little video, but it's what I like to do. Gives me a chance to try and help others. If you like my videos, please press the button below, and also use the bell up the top if you want more information when I post another one. Also, below this video you will find links to different sites. If you do sign up to any of these sites, I do make a small commission. But thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you come back for more. Advertisements continue to get more budget friendly annually. This is a foregone conclusion as a result of a large efficiency of Google advertising. Taking into consideration that 89% of acquired journeys start with internet search engines, it is no surprise that pay-per-click produces a typical ROI of £2 for every single pound spent. Advertisers are using the system. PPC Surveys 2022 State of PPC document: 98% of people reported making use of Google Ads versus 76% for Facebook, as well as 64% for Instagram. Even more marketers in any kind of offered network, the higher the competition. Even more marketers in any kind of offered network, the higher the competitors, which triggers higher bids for fewer clicks per marketing professionals. Simply, exactly how to readjust in order to bring the exact same quality of website traffic, and also leads into the middle of a higher competitors. You might plan to enhance your spending plan, not simply in 2023, yet throughout the vacation of this year. If a surging budget plan is not practical, our brief post on 8 approaches to contend in Google Advertisements without raising bid guides. You use boosting your advertisements relevance as well as high quality score. Enhance your search phases, evaluate your competitors, as well as a lot more. We likewise advise making use of a cross-channel advertising technique, as paid searches are generally a whole lot more reputable when used along with various other networks. In a write-up on the leading 4 advertising networks, as an example, worldwide paid media consultant, as well as audio speaker, and also world stream album, Neva Hopkins suggests using a display screen to build your target audience. Video advertisements for demand gen, as well as social, for making it possible for impulses. Now, if you're not entirely pleased with your search results, try the cost-free Google Advertisements performance to acquire a transcript with ideas on exactly how to increase.